wasn't expecting you. Well, you're here, come on, let me show you my crib.
Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while.
Welcome to my living room. I like to live kind of minimal, as much open space as possible. I like very modern type things, modern furniture. Of course, you got to have a big screen TV. Your living room, I think your living room has to have that. I love art. I love God as well. And so I have this here to read every day before I leave to go to work. I love modern furniture. Of course, I love my red couches, my little shirts. This is where I relax all the time. This is where I hang out and talk to my family, talk to my children, give them advice, contemplate life. This is what I do here. Here we have my pets or my fish. I love animals, but I really don't like to have to take care of them much and do things like that. So it's my little fish tank. I do have a dog. He's on the wall right there. This is my dining area where I sit with my family, eat dinner sometimes, breakfast every once in a while when we're not busy. My kitchen. I come here, I don't cook too much. I don't eat it here very much, but I do every once in a while cook up some pork chops and rice, arroz con leche, some different things like that. As a Dominican person, kitchen's not complete without your pilon. Put a little garlic in here, a little oregano, salt and pepper, smash it up real good. Some good seasoning. I love it. Gotta have the pantry with all the snacks and food. Gotta make sure, keep everything stocked up as best as possible. All the cereals, good stuff. Let me see what's in my refrigerator. Oh yeah, I gotta have some grapes, a little bit of milk, a little bit of everything in here. Nothing too fancy. It's enough to keep you full every once in a while. I did want to mention, no matter this is my saxophone I got when I was in the 6th grade. It actually looked about this old whenever I was in 6th grade. My parents bought it for me. I wasn't, they didn't have a lot of money, but I wanted to be in band, and so they gave me the saxophone. And in life I think we all need to accomplish, we need to succeed, we need to try every single year, every single month to try to do better in life. But as you do better in life, you have to have something that keeps you grounded. Something that keeps you to help you remember where you came from and where you were in the past. And as simple as it may seem, this is kind of a symbol for me to remind me of some humble times and some hard times and some good times also in my childhood. But I wanted to share that with y'all. As we continue this way, it's not my most favorite part of my area. This is my children's bathroom, bedroom. This is one of my daughter's bedrooms. And I have another guest bedroom in here. We don't need one there. Come follow me to my master bedroom where all the, or some people say all the magic happens, but not much of the magic happens here. This is my bedroom. When I come home, this is where I spend most of my time. Just sit here, relax, watch my TV. Have a good time. I like the view, sunset. Happy to be here. It's my restroom, bathroom. Of course, this is where I have the most privacy. I can come in here, sit down. Gotta have plenty of toilet paper, plenty of you know, living here by myself, I just can't run out of toilet paper. I've got plenty of it here, so I read this every day as well. This is where I get ready to go in the morning. You know, very simple, minimal things. I don't need a lot of stuff, but I do like to look at my daughter's picture in the morning. My 3 daughters, which I love so much. Here's where I take a bath sometimes. And my shower. In the morning I take a shower, get ready to go. Gotta bathe with some happiness. Early in the morning. Gotta get ready, gotta be happy in the morning. So, oh yeah, my closet. So, in my closet here is where I get ready to go. I have all my clothes. I love some shoes. I gotta have plenty of shoes. I'm gonna have I really like old school Nike. Old school Adidas, gotta have those too. Also like a lot of black clothes, some red every once in a while. But this is it. Gotta have plenty of hydration. In the morning, gotta be ready to go. Gotta drink plenty of water. So yeah, this is me. This is how I live. This is every day. So now that you see my house, you see my living room. Come downstairs, I'll show you my garage. Get into my garage. These are my rides, of course. We got our Hellcat. As you know, the Charger, as you've seen in our previous video. We've got the Jeep Wrangler on some rims and lift kit. We got the Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. And no car collection can be complete without a Camaro Super Sport. My name is Roy. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Roy's Life. Now you see my house and my cars. Time for me to go.
Welcome to my house. It's my house.
You look good, Mama. Where's your mans? Hey, Daddy. Bye. Oh, the Paps is here. The Paps is here. Marissa, what are you doing this evening? Where are you going? Do you have a date? Marissa, do you have any people in your life that you'd like to say some words to? Marissa, can I get your autograph? I just need to smile for me right here. Marissa, look at the camera right here. Okay, you look good. You look beautiful. This is going on TMZ next week. Smile real pretty for the camera, Marissa. Okay.
Welcome to my house. It's my house.